Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the microphone not working issue on your Windows 11 computer or laptop in 2024. Whether you're using a headset mic, an external mic, or your laptop's built-in microphone, this guide will help you get it working again step by step. The first thing you need to do is make sure that Windows is using the correct microphone as the default input device. To do this, right-click on the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Scroll down to the Input section. Here, you'll see a list of all the microphones connected to your system. Select the one you want to use, and then use the volume slider to adjust the microphone volume to your liking. If your microphone doesn't appear on the list, don't worry. Just scroll down to the Advanced section and click on All Sound Devices. Now select your microphone from the list and click on Allow. Once you do this, your mic should appear in the sound settings, and you can then set it as the default device. If the microphone still isn't working, the next step is to check your privacy settings. Open the Settings app and go to the Privacy and Security tab on the left. Scroll down to the App Permissions section and click on Microphone. Make sure that the toggle for microphone access is turned on. Also, make sure Let Apps Access Your Microphone is enabled. Scroll further down and enable microphone access for desktop apps as well. In addition to that, if you're using a specific app or game, make sure microphone access is enabled for that application too. Sometimes the mic works fine system-wide, but a specific app might not have permission to use it. Once you've completed all these steps, your microphone should be working again on your Windows 11 PC. If this helped you out, feel free to leave a like, comment below if you're still facing issues, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching.